why not take those beautiful blocks, put them into a zippered pouch? Look at here. That is just clear. I got it at Hobby Lobby. Some of your other craft stores have it too. But I just encased that design into a bag. And so I'm gonna make a few more of these. They're probably gonna go out as gifts to friends and things like that whenever I need a gift. But look, the back of it, it's already completely quilted too. So I'll just kind of show you quickly a couple of these blocks. I'm not going to get into them real heavy because that's not my focus for today. But don't you think these would be fun? Here's what the back looks like. Don't you think these would be fun made into a little bag that you can put things in? Here's the back of this one. Just fun stuff. So I'm going to turn this around so that I'm quilting to me and make it a little bit easier for you to see. And I noticed it's a little bit hard to kind of find the exact sweet spot, but I can see it right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring up my bobbin thread, and there's a couple of ways you can do that. I can punch the button on my machine like this and bring it up, and then I just pull it to the side, and then there's my thread right there. And if you want to, I use my fingers to bring that up. If you are not comfortable doing that, I recommend that you not buy, but just get a pair of scissors or stiletto or anything like that, that you can kind of reach back there and pull that up.